Hi everyone, we have a very interesting question here. We are asked to calculate the area of the yellow portion, that is this and this segment here. This shape we can see is a quadrant, i.e. 1/4 of a cycle. We have the length of this line segment to be 46 units. And the length of this chord is 48 units. This angle and this angle are right angle. This we know is the angle of a quadrant. It has always been a right angle. So how can we solve this? How can we calculate the area of the yellow portion? Let's assume this to be A and this B. So yellow area equal to A plus B. Now looking at this quadrant, a quadrant has two perpendicular sides which are radii. That is, this and this are radii. And an arc which is 1/4 the circumference of its cycle. If we draw a line from this point to this arc, which is 1/4 the circumference of a cycle, it is also a radius. Now look at this triangle. This side and this side are equal in length. That is, it is an isosceles triangle. This is its vertex angle. So we draw its median from the vertex angle. The median of an isosceles triangle, if drawn from the vertex angle, will bisect the opposite side at the right angle. So this side is bisected and this angle is a right angle. Since its whole length is 48 units, this segment and this segment will be half 48 each, which is 24. Now look at this triangle. It is a right angle triangle. So you assume the size of this angle to be x and use the SOHCAHTOA. Taking the angle as theta, this is the opposite and there is the hypotenuse. From here, sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is x, opposite is 24, and hypotenuse is r. So sin x equal to 24 over r. Now recall, this whole angle is a right angle. So since this is x, this must be 90 degrees minus x. Now look at this here. It is at right angle with this side. And this line is also perpendicular to the same side. That means and this side are parallel. So since this line is perpendicular to this side, if we extend it to this line, it will also be perpendicular to it. So this angle is a right angle. Now look at this triangle. Since it is a right angle triangle, and we have the size of this angle to be 90 degrees minus x, based on the rule that the summation of angles in a triangle is 180 degrees, this angle is 180 minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees minus x. Minus into bracket 90 degrees minus x is minus 90 degrees minus minus x. Minus minus x is plus x. 180 degrees minus 90 degrees minus 90 degrees is 0. So the angle is x. Still on this triangle, we can also use the SOHCAHTOA. Taking this angle as theta, there is the opposite, say z, and there is the hypotenuse. We know sin theta equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Theta is x, opposite is z, and hypotenuse is r. So sin x equal to z over r. But from here, sin x equal to 24 over r. Substitute it here. Now 24 over r equal to z over r. This r cancels this r. So 24 equal to z. That is, the length of this side is 24 units. Now look at this quadrilateral. Since all four of its angles are right angles, the quadrilateral is a rectangle. Opposite sides of a rectangle we know are equal in length. That is, this side and this side are equal. And similarly, this side and this side are also equal. So since this is 46, this must also be 46 units. And since this is 24, this must also be 24 units. Now come to this triangle here. Since it is a right angle triangle, and we have the length of this side to be 24, while this side is sum of this 46 and this 24, we can use the Pythagorean theorem to find the length of this side. The Pythagorean theorem states that the square of the length of the hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is equal to the sum of the squares of the length of the two other sides. The hypotenuse is the side facing the right angle, which is this here. So by the Pythagorean theorem, r squared equal to 24 squared plus 46 plus 24 all squared. 46 plus 24 is 70. 70 we know is same as 2 times 35. 2 times 35 all squared is 2 squared times 35 squared. 2 squared is 4. And 35 squared is 1225. Here 24 is 2 times 12. 2 times 12 all squared is 2 squared times 12 squared. 2 squared is 4. And 12 squared is 144. From 4 times 144 plus 4 times 1225, we can factor out 4. So it is 4 open bracket 144 plus 1225. 144 plus 1225 is 1369. So r squared equal to 1369. Take the square of both sides. Here square root of r squared is r, while here square root of 4 open bracket 1369 is square root of 4 times square root of 1369. Square root of 4 is 2. Square root of 1369 is 37. 2 times 37 is 74. So r equal to 74. That is, the length of this radius and this each will be 74. Now look at this triangle. The formula for calculating the area of a triangle is half base times height. When it comes to a right angle triangle, the perpendicular sides are the base and the height. So if we take this side as a base, this must be the height. Now base equal to 24 and height equal to 24 plus 46. 24 plus 46 is 70. So height equal to 70. Substitute here. Now area of triangle equal to 1/2 times 24 times 70. 1/2 times 24 is 12. 12 is 10 plus 2. 10 plus 2 times 70 is 10 times 70 plus 2 times 70. 10 times 70 is 700. 2 times 70 is 140. 700 plus 140 is 840. So the area of this triangle is 840 square unit. Now look at this rectangle. The area will be the product of the length of this side and this side. So its area is 24 times 46. 24 is 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2. 10 plus 10 plus 2 plus 2 all multiplied by 46 is 460 plus 460 plus 92 plus 92. 460 plus 460 is 920. 92 plus 92 is 184. 920 plus 184 is 1104. So the area is 1104. Look at this triangle and this triangle. They both are right angle triangle. Both have an angle x. That proves that they are similar. But the fact that this hypotenuse is equal with this and this side is congruent with this tells that the triangles are congruent. We know congruent triangles will have equal areas. So since the area of this triangle is 840, the area of this triangle will also be 840. Now the total area of this is 840 plus 1104 plus 840, which is 2784. Now from the quadrant, if we subtract this area, we'll be left with the areas of this portion and this. So A plus B equal to area of quadrant minus 2784. The area of a quadrant is 1/4 the area of a circle. The area of a circle is calculated by the formula pi r squared. Pi is 22/7. R is the radius, which is this here. Substitute.